Welcome back to KTN Prime. I hope the holidays are treating you well. Let's continue informing you. Now, Kenyans continue to mourn one of its greatest heroes, former Prime Minister Raila Odinga. Across the country, Kenyans observed moments of silence and paid tribute to the man celebrated for his lifelong fight for democracy, justice and public service. Speakers urged Kenyans not only to remember the heroes who fought for freedom, but to carry on the struggle for the ideals they stood for. Our reporter, Wanjiko Wanjiro, now takes us through how the Mashujaa Day was marked across the country.
The memory of former Prime Minister Raila Odinga dominated Mashujaa Day celebrations across the country as Kenyans, led by their leaders, reflected on his legacy and contributions to democracy and devolution.
Honorable Raila Odinga was not just a politician, he was a movement. He was the voice of the voiceless, a champion for multi-party democracy, and a tireless advocate for justice, devolution and inclusion.
Tukitambua mchango wake na nafasi yake kubwa katika historia ya taifa letu la Kenya.
In Nairobi, rights groups marked the day through art, using songs, spoken word and rap among others to celebrate heroes who shaped the nation.
The only way to have a democracy that works is that you need to ensure that at the end of the day, people's voices are not ignored, are not shut down through impunity.
It's appropriate that even our artists who are least celebrated have taken it upon themselves through this forum of defenders.
In Nyandarua County, the celebrations honored local heroes, from athletes to musicians, whose achievements continue to inspire the region. Leaders urged residents to uphold peace and unity as the cornerstone of lasting progress.
We cannot forget the performing artists whose talents have amplified our culture, arts, and used songs, dance, spoken word to shape our nation.
In Mandera, leaders emphasized peace, unity and mutual respect as pillars of true heroism, urging residents to shun clan-based divisions that have long hindered development.
Hakuna mambo ya watu kutaka kufaidi kwa kugonganisha jamii na ni watu ambao wanafaidi hapo katikati. We are going to pursue that person, arrest that person, and if there is any sponsor of this conflict, we are all going to pursue those sponsors.
And in Kirinyaga, County Commissioner Hussein Alaso issued a stern warning to speeding Miraa drivers, announcing a major crackdown along the Embu Makutano Highway. He vowed that reckless drivers will face firm action to protect lives.
Tutaweka msako kali sana ya polisi katika hii barabara kuhakikisha ya kwamba hao madereva tutawashika na kuwapeleka kotini. Maana tumepoteza watu wengi sana kwa hii barabara kwa sababu ya recklessness ya hao waendeshaji wa gari ya Miraa. Na haswa wakati huu ambao tunaelekea tena msimu wa Krismasi.
Wanjiko Wanjiro, KTN.